Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to copy and paste data in your Google Excel sheets just within a click. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just open any of your sheet in your Google Excel. I've already opened a sheet so that it's easier for you to understand. Now, for example, I have to set a status is done for all these cells. What I'll do is, first method is to just enter the first letter, and after that go down, enter the first letter, keep on going down and keep on doing this. The other method is, what you can do is, click on this cell. Now from the corner, drag on till the end, wherever you want to insert the word, and you can see all these cells are filled with this one done. That's it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.